What's up, guys? Welcome back to Hungary. Today is my last full day here. I will be here tomorrow, but I have to go to the airport tomorrow, so I won't really be able to do too much tomorrow. So today's my last full day, and I want to go do as much as possible. So it should be a fun day. The back of the Parliament building in the daytime. So I see Canada's flag over there, so I wonder if this building is their embassy. This is my first time having Starbucks in another country. This was 1,800 forints for hazelnut hot chocolate. This is also that Christmas market I was at yesterday. And it's in front of this church. Alright guys, I stopped at this souvenir shop. I got 6 postcards, sticker, a patch, and 2 stamps for 7,600 Hungarian forints. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video, so hopefully you guys enjoyed Hungary. I know I sure did. I really love Budapest, some of the best architecture I've ever seen in my life, and it's everywhere, almost every building. It's just stunning and beautiful. So I'll definitely be coming back to Hungary at some point, not sure when, but I'll definitely make sure to get back here. But that's going to do it for this video, so I will see you guys in the next one.